Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is restore number 127, Bayou Test Run. It's a 1971 6 horsepower light restore. Did a light restore on this one. It is for sale, asking $950. I did a paint job on her. I just masked the decals, current existing decals, and painted her up. She looks pretty good. Ran great in the barrel. About to see what she does out on the water. Sweet little 6 horsepower. Inside's pretty clean too. Check that out. Yeah, she looks good. Looks real good. I'll take her out and give her a Bayou test run this morning. Everybody's ready. Here we go. Alright, got her out here on the water. Beautiful morning here. Sun shining. This 1971 6 horsepower just runs great. Pushes my 40-foot feathercraft about 10 miles an hour. Pretty awesome. Let's see how she does. Let's give her a run. Sir, I like it a lot. Nice little motor. Idle's good. Starts right up. Idle's perfect. Let's check reverse. Yes, sir. Reverse works just fine. Let's see if we can get her started. See a quick start. Yes, sir. Starts right up. Horsepower make a good little motor for somebody to put on their 14-foot boat. It is for sale, asking $950. Just contact me, let me know this motor could be yours. Let's take her on in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I promise to do weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.